Welcome to the Tech Hunter channel. I'm Syed. Friends, in today's video, I'm going to show you a very useful Android feature. Did you know that you can add a shortcut for any website you visit frequently directly to your phone's home screen? This means you don't have to open your browser and search for the website every time. With just one tap, you can open the website instantly. So let's see how to do it. First, open any browser on your phone. For example, you can use Google Chrome or any other browser you prefer. Now visit the website you want to create a shortcut for. It could be your favorite website, an important article, an online tool, or any page that you visit regularly. While the website is open, tap the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. Then scroll down through the menu, Install and Create a Shortcut. Tap on that option. You will now see a name for the shortcut. You can change the name if you want. Or you can simply leave the default name as it is. Once everything looks good, tap the Add button. That's it. The website shortcut will now be added to your phone's home screen. You can press and hold the shortcut and move it anywhere on your home screen. Even if your browser is completely closed, you can simply tap the shortcut once to open that website or specific web page directly. If you no longer need the shortcut, you can easily remove it. Simply press and hold the shortcut on your home screen. Then tap Remove. That's it. The shortcut will be removed from your home screen. You can create a new shortcut again anytime you want. This is how you can add a shortcut for any website or important web page directly to your phone's home screen. This feature is especially useful if you visit a particular website regularly and want quick access to it with just one tap. So, friends, this was the easiest way to add a website shortcut to your phone's home screen. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. Let me know in the comments if you already knew about this feature. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. And for more Android tips, mobile tricks, and technology tutorials, make sure to subscribe to the Tech Hunter channel. I'm Syed. Thank you for watching.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.